If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. In a drop shipment, your vendor ships the items directly to your customer. You still receive the bill, but simply indicate that this is a drop shipment when you order the items. To create a drop shipment for a customer in Sage 50, first create and save an invoice for the customer and note the invoice number. Next, create the purchase order and check the Drop Ship checkbox in its upper right corner. That then makes the customer ID field appear at the top of the purchase order form. Use it to select the customer to which to ship the items ordered. The customer's address then appears in the Ship To area. Ensure you select the correct customer shipping address. Then enter the customer invoice number into the customer invoice number field within the purchase order. Then create the rest of the purchase order as usual and save it when finished. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.